You will not throw away the waste plastic bottle at your home because we are going to make strong rope out from the plastic bottles. If you want to know how to make rope out from plastic bottles, please watch this video until the end and also subscribe to my channel to see more videos just as like this. This is very strong rope, can hold any weight. The things you need is a piece of wood and then you have to mark 1 inch to the one end of the wood. After marking, please make a line on that area and also another line 1 centimeter above the marked line. You need to mark that area as well. After that, you need to extend the markings all around the wood just as like this. Now mark another line between the center of the both two lines. And now we are going to cut that area. You need to cut just as like this using a cutter, or you can manually do it like this. After cutting that area, you need to extend the cut under the other side also. Okay, now we are going to make a cut on the first line. As you can see here, we have made the cut on the first line. And now what I am going to do is I am going to place a piece of blade into that area. You can take a blade according to the size of the wood you are using. Okay, now you have to place it in a way that the sharpened area is pointing towards the under part of the wood. You have to place the sharpener blade just as like this. Okay, after placing this blade, we have to tighten this blade using 2 screws. So I am going to place 2 screws at the 2 ends of the wood here. Okay, now I have marked the places where I am going to place the screws. Okay, this is the time to penetrate the screws into the wood. You have to do this very carefully. There is a chance for breaking the wood. You have to take some good wood for this purpose. Make sure you do that. Okay, now we will take the screws and tighten the blade inside. You also need to do this very carefully. There is a chance for breaking the wood, so do this step very patiently. Okay, now our equipment for cutting the plastic bottles is ready. Now I will show you how this one works. You have to cut a plastic bottle from the top end just as like this. And then you have to insert the plastic bottle just as like this into the equipment. Then you have to twist the bottle around the equipment just as like this. For getting the first string may be little bit difficult. You have to do this very patiently. Okay, now you can gently pull out the strings or rope out from the plastic bottle. So this is a very useful and easy method to do at your home. So don't waste your plastic bottle and don't throw away them. You can convert them into strong ropes just as like this. These are very strong. You can use them to lift weights as well. Okay friends, this is it for today. Hope you like the video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubt about this video, please let me know in our comment section. And thanks for watching this video.